Connecting a GoDaddy domain to Netlify gives your site a custom URL instead of the default Netlify subdomain. Netlify offers two methods: Netlify DNS, easiest, recommended, or external DNS, keep GoDaddy name servers. Method 1, use Netlify DNS, recommended. In Netlify dashboard, select your site, domain management, add custom domain, enter your domain, yourdomain.com, click add domain, choose use Netlify DNS. Netlify provides 4 custom name servers. Log into GoDaddy, domain list, click manage next to your domain, name servers, select custom DNS, paste the 4 Netlify name servers, save. Back in Netlify, click verify DNS configuration, wait 1 to 48 hours for propagation. Once connected, set as primary domain, enable HTTPS, free SSL auto issued. Method 2, keep GoDaddy DNS, external DNS. In Netlify, add domain, choose external DNS. Netlify shows required records. A record, 75.260.5, or current Netlify load balancer, IP. CNAME, www, your site name.netlify.app. In GoDaddy, advanced DNS, add these records, save. In Netlify, verify connection.